Apple research outlines ways iPhone digital IDs may be checked in the future. Oh, I feel like you read this and you're going to give us a sick breakdown right now because that's kind of an ambiguous headline.
No, I just like this little diagram here that shows what happens if you get pulled over. And instead of just having your wallet and having your driver's license and insurance, it would all be on your phone.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Which is tied to your ID. And in this kind of use case, it's quite seamless in terms of getting pulled over. Basically, the cop would have a device that would just scan your phone, and then it would have all your information there, and he can or they can just issue you a ticket. Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's a funny scenario because no one enjoys that scenario whatsoever.
But it could be applied to checking out at the airport or something.
Just a smart ID, basically a smarter ID.
You don't have to carry a wallet.
This is one of those things that is great, and of course you want it, but then at the same time it's terrifying because it's how much information is now being shared around one profile. It's not distributed in any way. It's all so centralized. It's like Apple already has most of your life, and then they have that much. Or Google could be doing the same thing, working on this. Take your pick,
right?
Whichever company it is, they're now reaching into your. They could share this information. I'm not saying they would, but with the insurance companies, and then. It's so many
your licenses,
weirdly
license
connected things that seems logical. Like it just seems like a matter of time before all this happens, and it's all tied to this one digital ID. But this definitely needs to be approached with caution.
For sure, yeah.